Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel that I would like to talk about BTC and the gold, some predictions. So I just lost my voice, so that's why I'm not posted the last 3 days some videos. But now a little bit recover back and let's go into the work. Few conspiracy predictions. So you remember this post on some forum from some anonymous guy, this account, so he posts in Zone 23 exactly the pattern would print this cycle all-time high on the 6th October, Zone 25, and it's happened at 126K, happened exactly this day. So we live in a simulation, so everything correct, and he just showed the patterns. So cycles, after that the bear market, cycles, bear market, and is happening, exact day. But the problem is people found another post from this guy, just recent one, what he posted 6 days ago about another all-time high on the BTC, 2026, all-time high to 250K. Ethereum 250K, 2026, 20K. Solana 1.5K. And bullish all-time high 10. I don't know what does it mean, and some thoughts. And simulation repeats. Honestly, I don't think so. We will hit 250K, but it's possible. So technically, it's possible. Of course, from now, it can be like 81%. Maybe, but I don't think so. We will skyrocket that high. But people trying to find the confirmation, the explanation, right? But the main goal is to stick to your plan and trade a fancy virtual assets like a BTC. You saw that. I will post that screen about BTC move into own direction. So the Nasdaq, the gold, the silver, the everything. It's S&P 500 just pump it. And the BTC just going in own direction. What does it mean? It means just the big guys who control all of these markets not choose the BTC for investments. It's pretty simple. And will they choose the BTC for the liquidity inflow? Will they put liquidity in the BTC? We can't know. The people trying to guess what other guys who got a lot of money will do with their own money. We can't know. You can't know what is your neighborhood will do with his own money in the next day or in the next month. You can only ask, and he can give you the answer. So, and we can't ask the BlackRock or Vanguard, will you invest the money in this fancy orange token or not next month because I'm stocking it because my alts is stock. We can't know, guys. We're trying to guess. But it's not an option. We have to work only with the price action, and some macro definitely will drive the market. And my point, since 2022, the same. So the end of this cycle, around end of this cycle, and the main trigger will be the end of war in Ukraine, and they treat the people at the highest point, invest in when the war ends. They treat to invest like the nightmare is end. It's a gold era. It's just the beginning. It's time to invest, but it's gonna be the time to sell. So they need to create some euphoria. So finally, we solve all problems, and only now the market will be stable. It's gonna be the great time for investment, but it's gonna be the great time to out. So it's my point, and based on that logic of that guy, if we're living a simulation, how it even possible? So if the previous cycles works, right? 1K days, where that one? Where that here? This one. So if this pattern works before, how it even possible? So we're gonna hit the new all-time high in Zone 26. It's not make sense because we need to spend 1,000 days. Or firstly, we need to spend 364 days down. So guys, all of this post is just some theory. We can't know the future. That's why I just work with the plan, with own plan. After the fact, the plan can be right or wrong. So my plan is still the same. I don't think so. We're going down to 70K like this one and crash it down to 17. No, the bottom is, I guess, will be around 42, 38, 47, 42K. This is going to be the bottom. So when we sweep this liquidity pool, when have no idea. Maybe we're going to hit the around the May, the new high, and the new all-time high is going to be like 139K, 445. I'm stick to this plan since, I don't know, 2021. So because this is a simple fee board, we track it. So I'm waiting. Today we saw the expiration of option on BTC and nothing happened. So it's kind of weird, like, it looks like all of this news and the events like price at the end. From now on the daily time frame, do a more bearish or bullish? Technically, we can go and retest here 78, but basically no make sense anymore. All right, so people draw also in the social media like this pattern, like a wedge. So we go in down, after that build the wedge, so it's a bearish wedge, so we should bounce here and crash it down straight to 69K. I don't think so. Also, I don't think so. Here's a monthly gap, so this is going to be like a magnet for the price, so like 94K to 103. And after that, when we will reach these targets, we need to pay attention for the timing, because if, for example, we will bounce to 103K and we'll find that a lot of sellers, yes, it's going to be just a cat bounce and we're going to form the left shoulder heads and the right shoulder and go down straight forward to the bottom. So technically it's possible. Now, everything just depends on the time. From now to the May, it's just 147 days. And I don't think so 147 days is going to be enough to push the price to 250K. If we extend it to September, October 26, maybe we can. No, I'm stick to this plan. So I'm waiting. About the gold, I would like to show you. So I think the gold is stop it. And we need to go down. So weekly time frame, every single day, we just hit new all-time high on the gold. And one day this bubble will burst. So the exit line on the weekly time frame is 4K571. Now we see the money outflow. Here was a money outflow. Step by step, the big whales fix the profit from the gold. Not in. This is total madness on the gold market. We trade way over exit line. So the last time we traded so high was September 2011. So even in the August 2020, it was not that high like now. So definitely we will come back later to test 3K78 at current price, at current moment, because of the lines are dynamic. And buy line, take profit, 27K. Now it's total euphoria and money outflow. Money in was here, November, October 2022. So the gold is top at the end. Just the question is, the money will inflow in the BTC or not? We can't know, and we will never know. ADZ direction. Take a look. We are in accumulation on the weekly time frame. So that's a point, So this is not a time to out of BTC. It's time for accumulation. Last time this type, of course, the bigger one was in June 2022. Now we traded 88K in accumulation zone. Magic. Not a magic, just algorithm. That's why the more and more I start realize I need to trade more with this indicator set, because they don't have any emotion. They just got all noise, all news, just simple algorithm. Direction here was a time to sell. Now we at the level of May 2022. Fun fact, right? So it's bullish. Market's mood. Take a look. Also fun fact. So we drop it down only to 88K and we are in disbelief. It's kind of weird, right? How it even possible? So this is not a free. Now the sentiment even worse than it was on the FTX collapse. The best option, of course, if we're gonna drop to 84K, 80K for example, and we will join it to the capitulation zone. Just several times in history, we saw the capitulation zone, like here, January 19, and this one, autumn 18, and this period. Now we're in disbelief. Kind of weird, right? Money power. Money in here was in November, middle of November, at 80K. Last time we saw the money in September 73 and the May 72. So technically, it's not a lifetime to out of BTC. But of course, guys, it can be maybe wrong data, right? We can't know. Only the time will show us. Trade on. Sell was in June. A buyback was in the end of November. Daily. Sell was almost at the top. On the next day after that, guy prediction. Right, fun. Here is a take profit at 91K. I'll recommend you just use this set, add alerts and track it. Now we get a signal to buy, recommendation, close position, now nothing. So I don't know, let's add alerts to trade on triangle app. Another triangle app, I guess we will see soon, and go to the monthly gap. After that, maybe retest this downtrend, uptrend line, and straightforward to the middle of spring. Yes. Take profit, guys. Indicator. All lines are dynamic. And, in here, in September, daily time frame, take profit line was at 150K. Now take profit line on the daily is 133K. Exit line, 151K. Weekly time frame, here, we can retest again. Take profit line, it's 117,744. Exit line, 132. So I will not surprise if by middle of spring, the buy line, the take profit line or exit line will be here. I will be not surprised. The buy line on the weekly now, it's 59K 300. So we're just in the middle. So it's time to just watch the market. So zone to buy BTC gonna be here. Fundamental value of BTC 44K. So that's it. Monthly, if we will go and retest, it's 60K, $80. It's exit line, take profit line 52K. So guys, my plan is still the same. And I guess in the next few months or the weeks, we will see the final culmination on the BTC. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a BTC. If you'd like to trade with my customer, we'll show it in this video. It's Fred Medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.